Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Beatrice, and today's class is a gentle 10-minute evening yoga stretch that you can even take in bed. No props needed, and when you're ready, come practice with me. This whole class is on our back. So come to lie in constructive rest, knees together, feet wide. This will prepare you for sleep. We'll start and finish lying down, so if you take it in bed, you can go off to sleep as soon as we're finished. Settle in your reclined position. Start to notice if there's anything you'd like to let go of from the day. Something that might have happened at work or in your home, within your family or friends. Or maybe there's something that has been bugging you for a bit and doesn't really quite allow you to sleep restfully. Set an intention to keep it aside for the evening and throughout your sleep. Now start to bring your feet closer in together, as wide as your hips more or less. And then keep your left foot on the ground and hug your right knee to your chest. Now start to take your hands around to the back of your right thigh and start to straighten the knee as much as you need to feel a stretch at the back of your thigh, at your hamstring. And then you can flex your foot at the top if you want to add a bit of a stretch in your calves as well. And start to take that right knee out to one side. And you can keep holding the back of your thigh for now. The knee's about 90 degrees. And then start to take the left foot on the outer edge, knee comes slightly out to the side so you can keep your hips stable. And you can stay here, you can switch the hold to the sole of your foot, either the inside or the outside, bringing the knee out and down to the side. Then bring the foot back flat on the ground and cross this right ankle over the top of your left knee. And you can stay here sending the knee away from you, or you can lift the legs and maybe even threading the arms to find the back of your left thigh or your shin. If you're holding, start to release the hold. Take the left foot on the ground, right knee comes back to your chest, and then take the left leg long and twist. Right leg comes over the left, and the right arm opens out or into a bent elbow. Come back through to center. Take the right foot on the ground this time. Left knee comes into your chest. Start to hold around the back of your left thigh and straighten the knee as much as you need to. Maybe flex the foot at the top. Now bend your knee and you can keep holding your thigh, the back of your thigh, as you bring the knee out to the side. And take the right foot on the outer edge and let the knee come out. If this is not enough, hold the sole of your foot either to the inside or the outside and continue to invite that right knee down and out, and the knee is about 90-degree angle. Now bring the sole of your right foot to center, cross the left ankle over the top of your right knee. And you can stay here or you can lift, maybe even taking the knee a little closer to you, perhaps threading the arms and finding the back of your right thigh or your shin. Take the right foot down, hug the left knee back to your chest. And then straighten the right leg long and come to twist on this side. So the left knee comes over to the right side, left arm out. Bring your left leg back to center and come to lie in any comfortable position, the position of your choice to sleep. Bring your attention up to the crown of your head. And slowly come down the face, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, softening as you scan all the muscles in the face, cheeks, lips, mouth, jaw. Let your head sink into the pillow or the ground. Relax your shoulders and arms, fingers, all the muscles in your back. The hips. All the way down the legs and the feet. Relax deeper and deeper. And you can start to drift off to sleep now. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please join me again soon.